Let's start. Today we will see how to style lists in the CSS. In the body tag, we have several lists, and we have styled them in various ways. Let's see them one by one. Here we have applied an image as the list marker icon. So in front of each list item, this image will be shown as a marker. Here we have changed the list position. The default position is the outside. The inside position shifts the list to the right by some margins. Here we have applied the background color and text color to the outer layer of the list and the list items, along with some margins and paddings. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, here we have replaced the regular list marker with an image. This is the default outside list position. Here we have changed the list position to inside. Here we have applied colors to the outer layer of the list and the list items. So that's it. That's how you can style lists in the CSS. Thank you.